welcome. This explained that this is a tutorial on how to put text for different timelines on TikTok. So let's get started. First and foremost, open up your TikTok account. And make sure to tap on the plus icon at the middle. Note that whatever you're trying to watch will inherit the filter it's using whenever you try to click on the middle icon as well. So now you're just like trying to do any other TikTok video. Trying to video, if you already have a video, just open up the album and tap on the video that you want or the picture that you want. And afterwards, after you're done taking the video, it will prompt you to go to the editing mode of TikTok. Tap on the text icon and then just type on whatever you want to do as an added bonus visual effects on your video as well. After typing, you can also choose a lot of different options such as font color, font text, and font animation. After you're done, you can see tap out on the set time duration. It will automatically show whenever you're done typing out your text. In here, this is basically like CapCut Mobile Edition, in which you can either prompt it to whatever time you want for the text to appear. You can add a lot of more text as well, just by clicking on the bottom icon below. So, typing it out, and you can also move it whenever you like, and you can overlap it as well if you have two or more text that you want to have a different styles and position. Just add more text if you're not still done with it, and by the time you're completed, you should be able to move everything that you want in your own control. Just tap on it and navigating through the video. And after you're done visualizing whatever type of context you want, and you're done, just post it or make it into drafts, and that's about it. That's how to put your text for different timelines on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.